this is Jimei Wen from Guarantee Rate. Today I want to talk about mortgage insurance. Is worth of buying a house if you have to pay mortgage insurance. So what is mortgage insurance? Normally, if you don't put down 20% as a down payment, the lender will charge you mortgage insurance to protect the lender. So let's say if you would put down 5%, 15%, 10%, you still have to pay mortgage insurance. What if it's FHA? FHA normally is a 3.5% down payment requirement. So therefore, mortgage insurance is required for FHA. For FHA, there are two mortgage insurance. There's a one-time mortgage insurance and also monthly mortgage insurance. But for FHA, even if, let's say, you pay down to 20% into the principal, you still carry the mortgage insurance because FHA is generally for people who has less down payment or doesn't really have a good credit history or had a foreclosure, short sale in the past. Then the government will still guarantee you to help you to get the house. So the way to get rid of the mortgage insurance is once you, let's say, reach certain amount of a down principal, or if the house value has gone up, you can try to refinance and get rid of the mortgage insurance. So why still buy house, right? Because if you think about it, if you pay rent these days rent like 3-bedroom, you probably pay $1,500, right? But if you were to buy a house and put down like 3.5% using the down payments assistance program, then your mortgage payment is very similar to your rent payment. So even if you pay mortgage insurance every month, but the house value always go up because the material cost goes up, and because of the inflation, the labor cost goes up, and so the house automatically goes up as well. So if, let's say, you pay mortgage insurance and then 5 years later, your house has 10% or 15% equity, and you can always refinance and get rid of the mortgage insurance. The key is try to get into the house first and not to wait until you save 20% and then buy the house, because by the time you save 20%, maybe the house value already gone up. So it's better to get in the house and sit in the house and let it go up, and then you refinance later. So that's the reason, even if you have to pay mortgage insurance, even if your payment is a little bit higher, still it's at least you have a chance, to let the house appreciate and get the equity. Okay, any questions, please give us a call, 702-876-8678.